If you watch Doorbell News, you know a lot of wild stuff happens. And if you want to add an extra layer of protection for you and your family, you should get a Doorcade. Thanks a lot to Doorcade for sponsoring us this month. It adds an extra layer of protection to your front door or your bedroom door. Get yours today.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Oh, it's breaking. Keep kicking. Nah, I think if you keep kicking, it might work. It's literally breaking.
Gary, Indiana.
Kick it. I want you to kick it. Come on, let's both kick it. Damn. That door ain't breaking.
Houma, Louisiana. Wait for it. Trust me. Mountain View, California.
No fake up here.
Shut up. Can you practice cigarettes?
What do you say?
Practice cigarettes.
What did you say?
You don't control what we buy. You work here. You don't control what people buy.
Get the fuck out before I knock you out. Get the fuck out.
Stupid.
Why don't talk to my mom like that? I will fucking knock you out. Get your bitch ass out of here. Fucking dumbass.
San Antonio, Texas. This delivery worker decides to snag this strawberry mat that she sees. Hey, put that back. Birmingham, Alabama. What's her problem?
Oh, yeah? Help! 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 Come on, yo!
Houston, Texas. Check her out.
Oh.
Looks like she has to take a poop. Tacoma, Washington. Meanwhile, in Colombia, an earthquake hit. Here's some of the footage. Meanwhile, in Birmingham.
We're not home.
Always be aware of your surroundings when entering your home. Newark, Delaware. Check this guy out.
In your fucking life. Don't ever in your fucking life. In your fucking life. The fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you? Don't you ever in your fucking life that you would think that these security would hold for this. Don't you ever in your fucking life. Would you put it here for your granddaughter? Your daughter? Anybody? You're disgusting. You're fucking disgusting. You're fucking disgusting. You're disgusting. It doesn't matter. You're disgusting. It doesn't matter. You're disgusting. You're disgusting. You're disgusting. You're disgusting. You're a piece of shit. Even if your fucking was going to fucking, even if.
After the recent tornadoes in Indiana, a man working for a tree removal service comes to do his job. But this lady's giving him a hard time. Let's see what happens.
Hey, hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second. I own a tree service. I'm going to...
I don't care. Get out.
The fuck are you?
Right now I'm the neighborhood watch. Get the fuck out. We don't need you.
I'm working on an emergency job here. This lady has a gun on her hip and just grabbed it. Well, I'm gonna call you back.
Hello, you strike up! You strike out, you pussy! Go! Oh my god! What happened? What happened? Somebody ran up in the yard.
Greenville, North Carolina. This footage has been going viral. Greenville Police Department came by this woman's house at 3 a.m. demanding her ring footage. Let's see what happens.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Incident occurred up here. And we were seeing if we could just see it on the ring camera, if you could see like the suspect there. Do you have access to the ring camera?
My job, it's really dead. It's not it's dead.
What do you mean it's dead? It's working.
It's dead.
What?
My ring camera is dead.
Okay. Well, it's working, so I don't think it's on 10%. That's cool, though. Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Hey, I got a baby, so can y'all please stop now?
No, because
It's dead. It's not on my phone.
listen
It's
to
not
me.
recording.
Listen to me. You pull it up and show me that it's not working, and I'll leave you alone. Otherwise, I'm ripping it off the wall and writing a search warrant, and I'm gonna keep you up all night.
How you gonna rip my stuff and I have nothing to do with it?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
On your back. You're now being detained because you're not cooperating with an investigation.
Oh my God, my baby is in there.
Stop. You had an opportunity, and this is where we're at. You're delaying my investigation.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. It's
You had the opportunity to just pull up your phone and show me that it didn't work.
I could have did so. You didn't ask for that.
I did.
You never asked.
I heard it up on the staircase, and I heard it over there. I heard her ask you.
Sir, she did not ask me to go pull my phone.
Yes,
she said you could pull it up. That's what
And what'd you say? You said I'm not doing that.
No, I did not. I said it's dead, which it is dead. It's been dead since this morning.
It's recording us right
It's not recording. I promise you
So where's
guys.
your phone?
My phone is in my bedroom.
There's like a 5-year-old girl that almost died right there, and you're gonna act like this, like
I
you
don't know what's
don't want.
going on, but I'm asleep. It's 3 in the morning. I gotta go to work at 6 in the morning.
Well, here's what's going
Now
on.
you're going to be up until 6. I guarantee you. So you can pull it up on your phone and show me that it didn't work. Show us, and that's it. But instead, you wound up in handcuffs over nothing. That's literally all you got to do is pick it up, show us, hey, it's not recording. Okay, have a good night. I'm sorry I woke you up.
Maybe she shouldn't have opened the door.
No, I said that you could pull it up. And you
Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.